Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, samahan niyo ko guys kasi meron naman akong i-unbox which is very purposeful sa aking classroom. This is Sir Jess guys, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are updated of the videos that I am posting. So, hindi ako mapakali guys na hindi buksan ito ngayon kasi gagamitin ko na siya so that organized na yung mga gamit ko sa aking classroom. And it is already my break time guys when taking this video. Since I am excited to open this, so ayan, at binuksan ko na siya talaga mga guys. O diba? Di halatang excited ano? So yung image is nandyan na mga guys, nasa carton. So yan yung ating i-unbox and mamaya i-assemble ko siya, in which it will give much more time upon assembling it or puzzling it. Alright, so kukunin ko na siya inside the box. Daan-daan ko lang siya dyan kinukuha kasi the material is fragile. So I need to be extra careful upon getting out the material inside the box. Ayan, at may kasamang manual so that it is easy for us to assemble the thing. So ito na yung mga nilalaman guys ng box. So meron siyang 4 na lalagyan where you can put things. Pwede siyang mapatungan ng mga books and coupon bands. Well, it depends upon on you if what material or materials you are going to place to it. And meron siyang stand. There are 4 shorts and 4 longs. So I am referring to the stand, both sides, left and right, where you are going to assemble yung kanyang lalagyan, which is in the middle. Then, a lot of screws and meron ding wrench to use to tight the screws kung naikabit na. So, ayan guys, at i-assemble ko na yung ating organizer para matapos na at syempre malagyan ko na ng mga gamit ko dito sa aking classroom. So, ito pala guys is a 4-layer organizer. So, meron siyang 4 na paglalagyan. Ayan, at patapos na tayo mga guys. Ito na yung final outcome. Ayan. So, na-assemble ko na siya guys. Ayan. So, yan yung kanyang itsura pag natapos mo na siyang i-assemble. Alright, so hanggang dyan lang tayo mga guys and see you on my next vlog again. Thank you!